Severe duty. Designed, tested and built by application. OE performance, fit and appearance. Built to meet or exceed original equipment performance. Hayden Automotive fan clutches are manufactured to ensure performance and durability. Hayden offers thermal and non-thermal clutches as well as standard, heavy-duty and severe-duty models that meet strict factory guidelines. It is used with lighter-pitched fans. They are identified by a smooth steel faceplate and thermal spring assembly on the front side. Top reviews from the United States. Quality made and a perfect fit. Purchased this fan clutch for a Hummer H2 with Vortec engine. It was a perfect fit and quality made all the difference in operating the cooling fan correctly. It was very simple to install regardless of what others' videos lead you to believe. But this part you can do the install yourself. Stop worrying and get to it.